What's up, family? Welcome back to yet another valuable video. So as you know, we are focusing and predicting Nasdaq for the week of the 3rd to the 27th of September. Last week we're quite right on the point. I mean, the precision of that entry, many of you should have got it. And I see the other, I think it was Monday of that week, you guys did comment and say, thank you so much, we did get that entry. So it's amazing to see my work really impact you into actual real profits. And speaking about actual real profits and impacting, you guys have gotten us to 25k subscribers. So that's amazing. Thank you so much for your support, for really supporting this channel and really growing this community to be what it is right now, a Skilled FX Academy. And with that as well, it's actually such a coincidence that we reached 25k in the month of September, because that's when we also started this company formerly known as Prophetic Forex. Well, it is still Prophetic Forex on paper. So I want to extend an offer and a discount to so many of you that have been supporting us but have not had the means to really join at the level of the price that we usually have, right? It's quite premium, but every once a year we have an anniversary. So now it's our 4th anniversary. I'm gonna put the information here. We're giving you guys 60% off our advanced trading costs as well as our Eagle system. So those are our 2 products on our website. You do click the link in the description to get this. This is valid only till the 15th of October. So we do this just to make sure that we welcome you guys to really be part of us and part of a growing community where you grow from glory to glory, from strength to strength. Anyway, let's go into this. As I said last week, we did predict that, there was this movement right here, this actual buy. I did predict it that it should go higher, but we can clearly see that this didn't actually go higher. It just sort of stopped there. So it wasn't so explosive as I would say. Now, this week, of course, may God give us the same grace to really pinpoint this as accurately as we did it last week. It's only by grace, guys. Sometimes we literally miss, and that's the very essence of trading. You can't always get it right 100%. Okay, now just breaking it down over there for our beginners, we can see why Nasdaq is going up. It's going up because we have this demand zone over here. Okay, this demand zone is what is pushing the market to go up, as we can see it. Now we can see this demand zone was created because of another demand zone. I'm just gonna finish right now. I'm sure the advanced traders are like, just finish. We can actually see that there was a demand level right here that actually facilitated this move to the upside. We can see that as the market actually pulled back, we can see the market did actually go back up, and it pulled back as well. Now we're going back up. Now, just want to show you something over here quite interesting that's going to draw your attention to exactly what's going to help us to predict this. Now, I see, of course, that there's a potential liquidity over here. We have 2 equal highs. Okay, we have 2 equal highs that the market can actually use to really, take that as liquidity. A lot of traders may be looking to sell off in this area, and you will see quite very well what I mean by this. And I actually do see a evening star over here. This candle formation is what we call an evening star. It also does have a supply for us over there. So I'm quite excited to actually stretch that across, and we can actually label that as our supply. Now let's go into actual daily time frame here and just see what the market has for us in terms of really, you see, it begins to make sense to the eye, especially for on the weekly time frame. Many beginners cannot quite comprehend what they're seeing, but here you can see to the eye, it really does make sense in terms of picture quality. I showed you last week that a lot of people, they were anticipating that Nasdaq was going to be actually stopped all the way right here into this price. and check what the market did. It responded slightly, let a lot of people sell right here, put their stop loss right here, put their take profit right here, put their stop losses right here, and what it did, it stopped them out. And the very same thing that's going to happen is that a lot of people are going to be expecting that NASDAQ is going to be, really being resisted over here. But what the market does, it may slightly respond for the scalpers, but then it's going to be pushed all the way up into this supply, then actually sell. That is the true essence of smart money. And speaking about smart money, we're dropping part 2 and part 3 this week, so make sure you are subscribed if you're a first-time viewer on our channel to really get some of the juicy content that's gonna elevate your skill. Now, why may I suggest actually that we're gonna be selling? We do have a nice change of character here actually. That's over here. As you can see, we have a change of character. The change of character is preceded by a break of structure. A real change of character needs to have an actual break of structure, okay? So as we can see, I don't have my mouse here, but I should actually get this right. I don't know, but yeah, as you can see, I wanted to just label it here. There we go. Okay, you guys see that's a break of structure. The market proceeded to the upside, giving us that impulse, broke that higher low, and we're in a downtrend now, bullish trend. We have that liquidity that the market built up. A lot of traders who don't see this and are blindsided by the market will think we are selling because of a triple top. This is just a setup for liquidity, guys. Okay, this is just a setup for liquidity. But as you can see, once it takes that liquidity, builds up sellers over here, stops them out, it will now, of course, let me just take something here. It will now go over here and then probably going to 50% because I do see a refine OB over there. In terms of movement, this movement can last a bit long, so it's not only relevant for this week, but definitely we can get into Monday, Tuesday, and a bit of half of Wednesday that the market is still pushing up if it's quite slow. Let's go into the 4H over here. Just want to see exactly how we can actually get this temporary buys to the upside. Okay, so as you can see, the market is looking quite bullish. We just need to niche down exactly which zone. Now we do have a zone over here that the market can actually use. Now I'm gonna have to further refine it to just this candle over here, that the market can actually use that demand, provided that we can actually put our Fibonacci like this. You will see it in part 2 of full smart money breakdown, where I talk about using the Fibonacci to really get some accurate entries that don't mislead, okay, your discount and premium markets. So I'm actually teaching at the same time predicting. So we can clearly see we can come all the way here into this discount market, and then we can get buys all the way up. So it's selling. Let me just show you. So it will open up selling over here, fool a lot of traders to think we are actually in a sell market. Go all the way into this level here, because all the way from 50%, again guys, that's where we have the discount market. Go all the way here, and then we can actually see buying all the way. Then from then on it will sell. So that's what I'm really anticipating on this. I'm very confident, not because of my articulation on this analysis, rather the clarity of it. There's not many setups that have clarity like this, so I'm quite excited. Money can be made really on this market this week. And definitely I just want to close it off here. I want you guys to let me know in the comment section what you think about the markets for this week, especially NASDAQ, because we just analyzed NASDAQ. And of course, be as descriptive as possible within your answer. Don't just say, I see a buy or sell. Your buy and sell can be temporary, so give us context between your answer. And of course, last thing before closing, I want to remind you guys, a special offer for those. A lot of people miss these things and they DM us months after asking for discounts. In times like this, you need to take advantage of the offer and discount that we have due to our anniversary. So I'm gonna put it up there again as well in the comment section. It will be pinned as well. In the description, it will also be pinned. So see you as well, those who are enrolling. See you in our mentorship Discord. And thank you so much for watching. Please do kindly subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends and family. God bless you.